It's finally here! How do you do that? Okay, here's the dealio. What I have here is a Verreal electric skateboard. So this is the Verreal RS. Yeah, I'm just excited. Can I just open this?
Yeah, mask up my pain, hold back my tears, I'm going insane.
Sweet. Nothing fancy, just the board itself under some black foam. So yeah, let's try to take this out of the box. I'll take out right the board because that's really covering everything else. Tell you what, it doesn't come out easy. There's the board itself. Okay, cool. So what do we have here? The Verreal RS. I bought the 14 amp hour Samsung 35E battery pack. And what that gives me is one chunky ass battery inside this metal casing, which is so the total cost for me in $1,360-ish. So I bought this board about a week ago, and yeah, it actually came surprisingly quick. I was a little bit concerned after reading a few of the Facebook posts on the Verreal page, with people saying that it came, you know, really late, it didn't come at all. So here's the board. Cool, nice, orange wheels, and the top, decent graphic, clear grip tape. Alright, sweet. And see what else comes up in the box. Funky box, and a picture of the guy himself, foam, more foam. What we have here, business card, skate tool, charger, cable, a manual. I think inside here is the new OLED remote. Cool, this is the remote here. In terms of feel and fit, I don't mind it at all. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger. It's got this little display down there, and it charges using USB-C. Right, let's try to turn it on. So there are two buttons here. I'm assuming that's the on button, so I'm gonna hold that. Vibrates, turns on. Right there. Alright, so it detects that it's not connected to the board, it's disconnected. Sweet. I'll connect it to the board later and show you what the screen looks like. Otherwise, inside this box, we've got the charger. So it's a big, chunky, thicky boy. Yep, there it is. There's my hand. It's pretty big. This is a lithium-ion charger. The output is 42 volts at 3 amps. I believe the fast charger will charge at about 5 amps, but I don't know too much about that. We'll see. That's all the accessories that it comes with. Yes, hello. This is my workstation, and I'm gonna charge the board and talk to you guys a little bit about my decision behind getting this board as opposed to some of the other boards that came out recently. So on the market at the moment, from what I've noticed, we've got boards like the X-Way Flex, Backfire Zealot that are all coming out, and I feel like directly competing against each other. I decided to choose this board mainly because of the size of its battery and the price point. So like 1,300 Australian dollars. Compared to the other boards, the X-Way Flex was around 1,060, the Backfire was also around 1,300. Those all had a lot less or lower capacity for the price, so that's why I decided to go with the Verreal. But yeah, price to battery capacity, the Verreal RS, honestly, it just takes the cake. We'll see. So it's charging right there. I'll leave that there for a bit. I definitely want to take some nice photos of it first, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. While the board charges over there, I'm just gonna get a quick cup of coffee and take a breather, because I don't know if you could tell, I'm fucking stoked that this thing has arrived. Let's do a little bit of talking. Rightio. I read posts on the Facebook group chat that said some people who had ordered all the way back in April 26th are still waiting on their board, and I placed an order on the 21st of May. So a total of 14 days. 13 days? Can I do math? Okay, never mind, 13 days. So 13 days all up, from when I placed the order to when I got the skateboard to my doorstep. Shipping anything nowadays is like super difficult because of COVID. I guess that's pretty good. Surprising me how fast it showed up. Anyway, it may not be the same for everyone else. Yep, okay, cool. I'm done with my exam. Can I go now? So I just went through the manual and I kind of highlighted just one or two things that I thought were interesting. Disclaimer here that you should not ride, or no, you should not brake with the board while it's fully charged. Go downhill and brake. I think that's just sort of like surge protection and safety for like overvolting the battery. The other thing I noticed was cool was like it has a 5-minute. It'll wait 5 minutes before it turns off by itself. So that's kind of cool. I just thought I might connect. Let's do a quick test for the connection. So that's the charging port there on the side. And I believe the power button is over here on the left hand side. So turn that on, you hold it. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that, but when you turn it on, it sounds like there might be like a little fan or something running in there. But okay, let's turn on the remote and see if they connect. Oh yep, stop blinking and it detects the board. Okay, test one. Yeah, she spins. Oh, yeah, that sounds a lot louder than the Evolve GT and a lot more aggressive. Let's have a look at here, the telemetry, and see how far it can get up to actually. Quick demonstration of the top speed, or whatever the ESC limits it to. So I'm just going to go full throttle. Jesus! Okay, and then that's the brakes. 41, 42 in mode 3. Mode 1 maxes out at 23. Mode 2. 36, and yeah, we already saw mode 3, but fuck it, let's go again. 42. So, just by the sound of this thing, I'm sure I'm gonna have fun. Yeah, your board may disconnect with the remote controller at any time due to radio interference. Be aware that you are at risk of death, injuries, and Alright, so far that kind of does it for the unboxing of that thing. Let me know down in the comments if there's anything you want me to kind of review and share about it. I'll make a slightly sexier video of this later. Otherwise, for now, that's just kind of it. I'm just really excited to play around with this. Also Vic, please make that a lot easier to take off next time. I'm triggered.